I was disconnected, so can you just explain me again?
Who is this?
Sir Arya.
Okay. So we are talking about the court measurement. So we will go to the restricted area. We are not able to stand more than 3 seconds. If you are standing more than 3 seconds, first time the referee will clap and he or she will tell you that please don't stand in restricted area or avoid your 3-second violation. Now what is violation? It's illegal. You have to keep
Okay,
moving and go outside and then come inside for the ball. Clear
sir.
restricted area?
Sir.
Okay. Any doubt regarding the court measurement?
Sir,
No, sir.
but the restricted area is only on the one side of the court.
Yes,
So the
correct.
other team will have
Offensive side of the court. This 3-second call only offensive side of the court. It should
sir,
not.
but there will be like benefit to one team and other team will have a
How?
disadvantage.
How?
So because one area is only like restricted area and no charge
No,
area,
both the side are restricted area. It's not only one side. If you're team A and you are shooting this side, okay, so the ball position is in your control, correct?
yes sir.
Okay, so now the 3-second will start. If any one of you, now you are the A1 and your A5 is standing at the restricted area, referee keep telling you avoid your 3-second, avoid your 3-second, but still he or she is standing at the restricted area, then referee will blow the whistle for the 3-second. If that person is holding the ball or they are just standing over there to block the person, it's a 3-second violation. You have to
Okay,
keep
sir.
the ball down and you have to go to your defensive court and start doing focusing on your defensive posture there,
Okay, sir.
defensive
Okay.
skills.
Okay.
Clear? When if the position
Yes,
is changed
sir.
now, the team B is coming towards your side. Again, if their person is standing at the restricted area, same referee job have to tell that person please avoid your 3-second. If he is moving, then
Okay,
no
sir.
issues.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now there is one
Yes,
more
sir.
doubt what I have. Now tell me one thing. If A5 is standing, referee give them a call, avoid your 3-second, and suddenly A5 went off and A4 come inside the restricted area. The 3 seconds should be caught or not?
No,
No,
sir.
It should not.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why no? The violation should
So
be there,
because
but
Because it's the other person
yeah,
coming.
exactly.
sir.
It's another
The
player.
3 seconds should be for other person.
why it should be other person? Whatever the 3 seconds, this is the one of the most confusing thing in the basketball. This is the team 3 second. If A5 is went off and suddenly A4 is getting inside the restricted area, the referee should blow the whistle for the 3 second. You have to keep moving. If I'm the heighted person of among my all team, I can take advantage then. I always stand at the under basket or behind the basket. I will take the ball easily and I can shoot easily then. There is no need to play the basketball. Am I right or wrong?
No, but sir, it is not necessary that the A4 person would be like he would be audible to the referee's noise
Yes,
as he
yes.
don't know
The
that
referee,
he was on the other side. No?
always referee will stand at the end line over here. The D-top. His job is to observe the D-top area only and the lower body part. If anyone is using their hand, putting their hands on the vest of the defensive person or the offensive person, it's illegal. You are not allowed to touch the player. You have to be like I think day before yesterday. See the last image. The posture is he's keeping one hand to distract his vision, and second hand on the ball, but he's not touching a body part. What is be
No, sir, but it is not necessary that the another player would be known that his team player has also done that thing. Like the same, the three second count is going on, and when he came out, he would be not known of that.
he was be not knowing, but is totally referee's job to keep telling if anyone now A5 is went off, correct, and A4 is getting inside the court. Again, he have to tell that avoid your 3 second.
Oh,
Clear?
okay.
Yes, so
Okay, now tell
Yes,
me
sir.
one thing. Front court, center line or half court line is the part of back court or front court?
Sir, but if
It's middle court, no?
Sir, it's both.
How it's both?
No, sir, it's the front court part.
This is, can you see? This is the center line. We start from the game from the center line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the defensive side. We took the ball over here, and
Sir, there's a lot of disturbance.
please switch off the mics. Okay, so this is the part of back court. If we took a ball over here at the front court, how we count that it's a back court? Then it shows this line and indicates it's a back court. If we took the ball at the offensive side or to the front court, and we can't able to pass the ball behind, or we can't able to go at the back court side, it's a violation. It's illegal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the center line is the part of
Backcourt.
Backcourt, sir.
yes, correct.
Backcourt.
Okay, now please switch on your mic and ask any question regarding basketball. Now tell me, you are draw this diagram. How many of you know this kind of a rule we have? No one asked me question regarding what is a throw in, why this is 90 meter, why this is 15 over here. Yes, please speak.
sir, if a player touches another player, then will penalties go to that team?
If you are hitting the person and during the shooting action, if you are hitting the person during the shooting action, you will get the penalty. If it is 3 point or 2 point, the position should be checked where you are standing. But if you are hitting the person and he is putting the dribble and he is going for his shot, then the side position will be there. Now what is side position? Wait. Now this is the throw-in. Who asked this question?
Mehak.
Correct. So now this is the throw-in. If both the players committed a foul over here, so can you see that there is throw line at the left side?
Sir.
The match will continue from here. The team will get the ball position from here at the front side. If the foul committed at the back court, then this side throw line should be throw in line over here. So the referee will hand over the ball from here. Clear?
So from what distance should the penalty be taken?
The free throw line. This is the free throw line. D top. This is the free throw line. Wait. This is the free throw line. You have to stand over here and you have to score the basket. Either 2 shot or 3 shot. Or 1 shot. Clear?
So
Yes, sir.
Okay, regarding any doubt?
No, sir. No,
No
sir.
one has
No, sir.
no doubt. Where is Uttirna? Uttirna?
Sir, he has muted himself.
Okay, Uttirna, just show me your drawing. Amaya also. Have you drawn the code diagram?
I've drawn. I joined in late. I've drawn.
Show me a diagram.
So who?
Girija, you also.
Yes, sir.
Amay. Where is Amay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See.
Okay. Girija also draw a nice diagram.
Thank you, sir.
Amay. Uttirna. Arlene. Okay, just raise your hand who didn't draw a diagram. Or they can put a thumbs up that we didn't draw a diagram. Uttirna, Krishna. And who else is there? Ojiyat, you draw the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Arlene. Now, anyhow, I want, whenever we have next class, I want the diagram. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who observed the NBA matches?
Swami.
Only one.
So me too.
Two. Okay, whenever we have next class, we will observe the NBA matches then. Clear? First, I want everyone should be draw a diagram. Those who didn't draw yet. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And any doubt regarding this session or the previous session?
No, sir.
Because basketball, it's a very complicated